of Ma2ke TV. This is Elaine once again, and I'd like to welcome you here at San Remigio. We are here at JJS Hotel kay ilaharong soft opening. Actually, naa sila yung mga activities karon, and it started with a motorcade. So, karon ang atong buhaton is, of course, we are going to feature their soft opening. I-tour mo na mo sa ilahang bago nga hotel. So, uban ni just so you know, JJS Hotel has 16 rooms and nagkalain-lain siya na standard, na family, na suite, na deluxe. Then karon, i-tour mo na mo sa ilahang room. Kuyog ko. Mao ni siya ang ilahang standard nga room. As you can see, sulit sa kabed. And ay hindi makita din mo ang ilahang overlooking ng pool. Ilang standard nga bed, na ay chair, na ay mirror, of course, na ay tanganan sa ilahang kasinina. And let's try to check sa ilahang comfort room. So let's see. Nanimaho pag siyang pintal, meaning bag-o yun kayo siya. Wait lang, asan ilang? Wait ha? Ayun. There you go. And this is their comfort room. I'm sad to say, wala siya sa amin. So, mailhan yun ni mo nga never been. And sa kini nga room, makita na to ang let's check out dito sa gawas ang ilahang pool. Mga alas. There. And sa ilaha di ay pool. Beside sa pool is naa siya swing, naa siya slide. So mailhan gid mo nga bag-o gid siya sinwa pag gid siya makuan ni. Mo gid ni gitawag soft opening.
once again at JJS Hotel and Resort located at Remigio Cebu. Please come and join us. Thank you.
Hi mga amigas and amigos, atong kasilinganan diri sa siyudad sa Cebu ug atong kasilinganan sa lungsod sa San Remigio. Ari na tabay diri sa atong lungsod sa San Remigio. Aduna tay dako nga discount sa atong JJS Hotel.
Yes, we are inviting you all to please join us, come with us as you guys celebrate any special occasion here at JJS Hotel and Resort. We are located at the very heart of San Remigio, which is alongside the Lapyahan, which is the longest shoreline, longest shoreline in the Philippines. And for more contact information, you can reach us at JJS Hotel and Resort Facebook page, and yes, we could reply anytime, any day if you want to. Thank you and see you soon. Mwah!
Hello everyone.
Hi!
We are the Song Family!
Hi mga amigas and amigos! Mga silinganan nato nga lugsuran diri.
Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's